If you need to share a Google Doc with someone using your phone, this tutorial will show you exactly how to do it. I'll also explain how to choose whether someone can view, comment on, or edit your document. Let's get started. First, make sure you have the Google Docs app installed on your phone. Open the Google Docs app and sign in to the Google account that contains the document you want to share. Once you're inside the app, find the document you want to share with someone else. Next, tap the three dots beside the document. This will open a menu with additional options. From the menu, tap Share. You will now see a screen where you can add people to the document. Tap the Add People field and enter the email address of the person you want to share the document with. Once their email appears, you'll notice a permission option below their name. Tap that option to choose what level of access they should have. You can select Viewer if you only want them to read the document. Choose Commenter if you want them to leave comments but not make changes. Or choose Editor if you want them to be able to edit the document. A quick tip here: be careful when giving editor access, especially if the document contains important information, since editors can make changes to the content. After selecting the appropriate role, tap the Send button in the bottom right corner of the screen. Google will send them an invitation and you'll see a confirmation message letting you know the person has been added to the document. And that's all there is to it. You can repeat the same process anytime you need to share a Google Doc with additional people. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to like the video and subscribe to Guides and Beyond for more simple step-by-step technology tutorials.